Hey friends, today I am thrilled to introduce you to some fantastic money making apps. These apps are not just about fun, they are about real cash in your pocket. So in this video, I'll walk you through some of the best apps that can earn you money in 2024. So let's dive in. On number 1, ClipClaps. ClipClaps is revolutionized the way you spend your time online. If you are someone who finds themselves endlessly scrolling through social media, so why not get paid for it? The app rewards you for engaging with content, whether it's videos, posts, or ads. With each interaction, you accumulate rewards that can be converted into real cash. Spend a few hours a day on ClipClaps and you could easily earn enough to cover your monthly expenses. It's a simple and fun way to turn your leisure time into a lucrative opportunity. On number 2, UserField. UserField offers a unique opportunity to earn money by testing websites and applications. Companies are constantly looking for feedback on their digital products, and UserField connects you with these opportunities. From testing the user interface of a website to trying out new apps feature, every task comes with a generous payout. Plus, you get to shape the future of digital experiences while earning a steady income. It's a win-win situation that combines work with enjoyment. On number 3,
Fcom.
if you have a passion for photography, UserField is the perfect platform to monetize your talent. Whether you are a professional photographer or just someone who enjoys snapping pictures, UserField allows you to showcase and sell your work to a global audience, from breathtaking landscape to candid moments. There's a market for every type of photo, and with each sale you earn a commission that can quickly add up. So grab your camera, capture the world around you, and start earning money doing what you love. On number 4, Dogee. Dogee makes saving money effortless by offering cashback on your everyday purchases. Whether you are shopping online or in store, Dogee partners with thousands of retailers to bring you exclusive deals and discounts. Simply link your credit or debit card to the app, make a purchase by participating merchant, and watch as cashback reward roll into your account. It's a hassle-free way to stretch your budget and make the most of your spendings. On number 5, Google Opinion Rewards. Your opinions are valuable, and Google Opinion Reward recognizes that by compensating you for your time and feedback. The app presents you with short surveys and questions on a variety of topics, ranging from product preferences to advertising effectiveness. Each survey takes just a few seconds to complete, and you earn cash reward for your participation. Whether you are waiting in line or relaxing at home, you can easily earn extra money by sharing your thoughts with Google. On number 6, Field Agent. Field Agent transforms your smartphone into a tool for earning money by completing simple tasks in your area, by checking product availability at local stores to conducting price checks. Field Agent tasks are quick and easy to complete. Plus, you have the flexibility to choose when and where you work, making it perfect for those looking to earn some extra income on their own schedule. With Field Agent, earning money has never been more convenient. On number 7, Honeygain. Honeygain allows you to earn passive income effortlessly by sharing your internet connection. Simply install the app on your devices and it will utilize your used bandwidth to collect data and perform various online tasks. In exchange for sharing your connection, you receive regular payments directly to your account. It's a handoff way to generate income while going about your daily life, providing a welcome boost to your finances without any extra effort. So there you have it. These apps offer various ways to earn money, from completing tasks to selling photos and even passive income generation. Give them a try and you could see a significant boost to your income. Thanks for watching, and I hope these apps help you add some extra cash to your pocket. If yes, like and subscribe for more. See you next time, and I think that you will also like these videos, so check them out here.